Hello, my name is Andrew, and I'm available for Photoshop and Lightroom tutoring. So with Photoshop, I can teach you the tools, layers, layer mask, layer compositing, photo compositing, and retouching, healing brush, clone stamp tool, etc. And then I can teach you about a Camera Raw and developing your photos, tonal correction, color correction, curves, levels for tonal correction and color correction, color grading, creative effects, filters, things like that, saving for social and saving for print. I can also teach you Lightroom. Lightroom Classic is my focus, which I've been using since it came out. So I can teach you about importing and developing, adding keywords, organizing into folders, knowing how the whole catalog works, and being able to export JPEGs as well as other formats. So once again, for social or for print quality and general understanding of Lightroom. So I love what I do. I've been tutoring for more than 20 years now. I am patient, focused, love to answer your questions. So let me know what your Photoshop and Lightroom tutoring needs are. Thank you.